Next, we'll hear from a recent FAU graduate. Felipe graduated with a degree in business and had a job waiting for him, thanks to the help of the FAU Career Center. FAU prides itself on its impressive student success rates and is a top degree producer for underrepresented minorities. At FAU, these students outperform the university-wide graduation rate. Felipe, you are on.
Hey everyone, applying to college, I was not sure where I wanted to study. I remember stressing over picking a school that not only made me happy, but also supported my visions and goals. FAU's investment in value and diversity was a strong factor in my decision. I've lived in 5 other countries, and if there's one thing I love, is being surrounded by different types of people. Being exposed to different perspectives and ideas really shaped my college experience for the better. As a business major with big dreams, I sought out advising and mentorship to help guide me towards my goals. At FAU, every student has their own success network, a group of academic, career, and financial aid advisors dedicated to making sure you have the best outcome. This supportive approach has helped students like me graduate on time and be ready for the job market. I picked classes focused on my professional goals, perfected my resume, and attended multiple career fairs to make sure I knew about all the opportunities out there in the real world. Thanks to this, I was able to graduate with a full-time job waiting for me. To further expose myself to people and opportunities, I decided to join clubs that fit my values and aspirations. As part of the American Marketing Association, I learned so much so quickly. I attended national conferences and participated in case competitions. This club allowed me to realize that I was exactly where I was supposed to be. Everyone at FAU is focused on students, like me, reaching their full potential. So if I can leave you with some words of advice, it would be to get to know your faculty, meet with your advisors, visit the FAU Career Center, join clubs, and most importantly, maximize your social and academic resources. Back to you, Alex.
Excellent job, Felipe. Congratulations on your degree and the success you're enjoying as a recent college grad. The advice you give of getting to know your professors and utilizing the FAU Success Network is spot on for students just starting their journey at FAU. Thanks again.